Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo internet, I'm here Muhammad Hardianto Kiai Marjo. I am with my friends Rina Wahyudi Ahmad. We are from D Class 2020 English Department of Universitas Negeri Gorontalo. So in this video, we will talk about our journal review with the title The Impact of EFL Classroom-Based Language Assessment. Without further ado, I give to Rina Wahyuni Ahmad for the first speech. Rina, time is yours.
Yes, I will. I will explain that. I will explain material about problem was address the empirical studies on aspect of assessment on language learning. The study begins with the definition of aspects, the following terms and dimension of aspect. Then it summarizes the empirical studies of reviewing the effect of CBLA in working at how it contributes to the way teaching conducts and how students learn logical discipline. In addition, Jones et al. And Hay concerns that findings on the implication and effect of classroom-based teacher-led formative tests are only beginning to appear. Based on the previous study, implication-led assessment and review methods are largely scale and high-stakes in nature. Using different research methods, Asaf and Zulfikari reports that teachers saw reflection on their assessment practice was based on their assessment interest. This is the first to analyze the standard assessment course among a small number of review studies. They measure different course characteristic variables on three most frequently investigated areas, namely learners' motivation, behaviors, and attitude. Finally, it examines the mechanism by which feedback on learning is generated. The findings solve all complex and context-dependent tests and based on these findings, studies have concentrated more on researching the experience and behaviors of learners. The few observational studies detail the viewpoint of learners' behavior correlates with pre- and post-test effects. The inspiration, interpretation, and comprehension of the last and previous interactions, the impact on learners tend to mediate more internally. Regarding the thesis for article was to be reviewed to know how students' perception on CBLA. However, much of the research up to now has been descriptive in nature. Questionnaire the writer defines the key paths, search literature source, and starts looking for publications. The first writer proposed inflation developments that form the basis for the selection patterns publication. In order to compare the same information units from each chosen publication, Image closely constructs data extraction from was used to scan through all of the accessible sources. The most important, three most important findings, the categories are closely related to the term EFL and EAL, such as the first one is how students' perception and disability, the second, the student motivation and data language assessment, relies teachers' assessment methods and practice. And before the selection a case study, conducts a qualitative study revealing that some EFL teachers consider the use of evaluation to be useful and effective. However, mere difference can be seen in tracking procedures for compression, assessment, monitoring, and assessment scaffolding. The above study efforts insight to the formation of culture of assessment for learning among EFL teachers. And then in the educational assessment process in the classroom, educators need to ensure and need to facilitate the class will be productive, mean class assessment to so that this practice is accurate. case study, according to Hall, is that teachers still need to comply with CBLE principle, but because of time constraints and a lot of burden in the syllabus that must be followed, while most teachers have different understanding of performance and contemplation in the classroom, the case of a professional needs for teacher assessment, the volunteer assessment of EFL, all refers to the survey. The result is that EFL teachers consistently emphasize to occurrence of EFL rather than EOL. Then reported systemical learners are portionally affected by interactive informal performance surveys, and student self-assessment are the strongest predicate of learner intrinsic motivations towards EFL course. For therefore, students concentrate more on behavior research in several studies that are correlated to the effects before or after the test. And the results still using descriptive research. An example, this is from exam and Bibanoglu, how how EFL works if course not avoided. I will not try to learn English outside the classroom. With this thesis, there is an impact on students believing that language assessment priorities listening, speaking to communicate, and also views portfolio evaluation as a novel approach for evaluating their reading. The hypothesis impact and motivation assessment students such as classroom assessment environment teachers who make evaluation decisions, format and evaluation their abilities to conduct and the motivation for perform as a result from student expectation about what is important and effort should be direct. Student self-assessment and student optimism are one of the goals of the E-level course. For CBLA itself, it has a positive impact on student assessment such as oral performance, students' writing skill in portfolio-based classes, student mastery of the second language using data from two teacher and six students. For the more review of CBLA and PFL teacher assessment, three different counts. Second one, the teacher perception and conception of CBLA. The next, the teacher assessment literacy, and the last, CBLA teachers, all of which are influenced by epistemological work and learning fields.
Okay, thank you, Rina. And next, the overall answer to the research. Overall answer to the research question, the application of CBLA in higher education settings on the basis of an overview of CBLS studies in adapting CBLA. The evaluation of contextual at the macro, meso, and micro. Previous research shows that contribute to high quality learning and that students because tasks give them a feeling that they are learning something significant for their long-term personal growth. Assessment literacy show that successful CBLA implementation could be accomplished in their hearts and mind through teacher improvements to evaluation, supported from teachers, educators, and institutional administrators is equally important. Some paths are therefore proposed for potential CBLA studies. The discussion, the author points out that it is important to deal with students in a polite and reasonable manner to prevent the risk of certain derogatory views from the teacher and by implication. Teachers who have established beliefs and consideration during the learning process as important criteria for fair classroom assessment, according to Tierney in 2014. Finally, a review of this team has revealed that students are the best resource for evaluating how teachers provide appropriate CBLA for their learning experience. Student motivational and achievement, there are 17 articles that discuss how PKMB affects students to study more, work harder, and have a greater sense of self-efficacy. To do so may vary the order to arrive at a valid set of publication. First, the article were published in a peer-reviewed scientific journal, and it did not include books, book chapters, papers, and conference proceedings, as the consistency of this publication is more difficult to determine. Second, the studies published on the findings of the research do not include theoretical articles. The third, the study was carried out in higher education. The result, based on this systematic review, researchers have conducted studies showing how the importance of CBLA has a major influence on the assessment and learning process. In addition, the teacher's philosophical perception and concepts also play an important role in the formation of a prolific assessment process. In addition, research on CBLA has also been shown to have a major impact on students' motivation to learn a language. CBLA generally refers to AFL rather than AOL. In short, CBLA generally, both from perspective and practice, has consequences for teachers to continue improving their assessment skills and literacy. This review is also a plea for a broader interpretation of CBLA from a broader viewpoint. So that's all about our review for the journal. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.